Wenn du weißt, wie du VoiceOver verwendest, drücke die Befehlstaste, während du dreimal auf Toolkey, die am rechten Ende der Touchbar tippst.
Alright, I guess she likes to talk. Guys, welcome back to my channel, and since you clicked on this video, I assume you watched last week's keynote by Apple or /and, which I hope you watched my video last week where I did a little comparison between Hi Cat isn't a video of me if there's not a cat in it. So where I did a little comparison about the MacBook Air and the new MacBook Pro. And then you guys would also know that right when the Apple Store went back online, I ordered the new MacBook Pro. So if you haven't checked out that video, I'm going to link it right here, and I really hope you guys are going to watch this. But end of that story. Hi Cat. Okay, somebody is kind of taking over this video as always. A cat is just way too pretty to be ignored. But you guys know I ordered a MacBook by now, and they got shipped out yesterday and arrived today to almost everyone that ordered right away. So here we go, here we have it. The new MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. Again, if you want more details about this, check out my latest video. But in this video, I'm just going to unpack it and kind of set it up and try to give you guys a first impression video. I'm getting I'm getting a little bit distracted. So here's the box. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to do that for you guys on camera. We have our scissors. Oh my god, be careful, baby. Although you never know, cats are evil. Maybe she's trying to stab me. I wouldn't put that past her. Right, baby? Okay, anyways, let's get right into the video and let's try to get the scissors away from the cat. Did I mention that I have 2 cats, but I'm also allergic to cat hair? Because this is getting a little bit hard right here. Okay, let's open this bad boy. Cat is sniffing the ring light and the camera. Oh my god. Okay, since we have a couple more seconds because she's not going away, I have my old MacBook right here, which is, I don't know, extremely old. Basically this belongs into a museum, and I do use Apple Cloud, but I'm not going to transfer everything that's on here to this one. I'm going to show you when I unpack this one what's on here, but it's a total mess, and I don't want to bring this mess onto my new MacBook. But basically this is going to be a huge upgrade. I'm used to MacBook Pro, but I haven't even tried the touch bar yet. I haven't had a MacBook with touch bar, so this is going to be really exciting. So let's open the box. Don't worry about the candle right there. My cats are smart. They don't come close to fire. Okay, careful, but they do come close to scissors. Okay, let's unbox it now. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh, oh no. My hands are so sweaty. I'm so excited. You can... Oh my god, you can't see how excited I am about this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. All right, let's see what else is in here before we get to that beautiful thing. We have the little instructions. And even the stickers are in space gray. Oh my god, I didn't know about this. They are beautiful. Okay. So we have the instructions, but with everything that I get, I never look through the instructions. So yeah. Okay, here's the charger. Oh, that's paper. That's not really plastic, that's kind of paper. Can you guys see? Okay, the charger is still pretty big.
Deutsch als Standardsprache zu verwenden.
Oh my god, it's talking to me. Yeah. Oh my god, it's talking to me. I did not know it would do that. Yes, even the cat is afraid. Daisy, ich habe keine Ahnung. Yeah. Alright, now let me set it up. The cat is back. So, oh my god. Oh my god, it is beautiful. Okay, now let's set this up and set it back to German.
Drücke die Eingabetaste, um Deutsch als Standardsprache zu verwenden.
Oh my god, it is so beautiful. I'm leaving my dirty, disgusting fingerprints all over this beauty. I'm a little bit ashamed.
Voice-over. Wenn du weißt, wie du Voice-over verwendest, drücke die Befehlstaste, während du dreimal auf Turkey, die am rechten Ende der Touchbar tippst. Wenn du lernen möchtest, wie du mit Voice-over deine Mac konfigurierst, drücke auf die Escape-Taste.
Alright, I guess she likes to talk. I told you guys they are afraid of candles, and you just witnessed. They come close, they smell, and they're like, oh, this is not good for me. So let me set this up real quick. I just realized that the mouse pad is pretty big compared to my old MacBook, but then again, this one belongs into a museum anyways. Okay, so oh my god. So for everyone who's freaking out about the cat, just let me assure you, if you have a cat, you can't keep it away from things. You just can't. They want to see everything, they want to taste everything, they want to smell everything. They just want to have everything. So basically, there's nothing I can do about this. It's just letting her assist me. Okay, basically, I'm just going to call her my assistant from now on. So I'm not going to get... This is going to take forever, I'm sorry. Alright, I guess I'm basically done now. Let's see. This video, when you're watching it, I already edited on this one, and I literally can't wait. Editing with this antique thing takes forever. So now that... Oops. Okay, so now that this one is set up... Okay, I'm embarrassed. I'm really embarrassed, but let's do a comparison. But this thing is obviously a lot thicker. And also missing a foot, and I have no idea where that went. And now, let let's show you guys. Yeah, that is a huge mess, and I'm not going to transfer all of this mess onto here. I'm going to start fresh and new as I should. So I'm going to the side, and here it is. My MacBook, my new MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. So as you guys can see, chip is Apple M1. Just seeing it on here is amazing. So now I think we're done here. If there's anything I forgot to mention or I forgot to show you guys, just let me know. And I'm going to answer your questions, or I'm going to film something. Also, I can just include a little clip on my Instagram. Just follow me on there. It's LamaQuad as well. And I think that's it. I'm going to edit this video now. Hopefully there's not too much cat content on here, but honestly, who am I kidding? It's probably 90% cat, 6% MacBook, and then 4% me. But either way, this was basically just for a little bit of my first impressions, and then the unpacking or the unboxing or whatever you want to call it. So now I can finally work on a new MacBook. I'm still going to use this one. I love it. It has been my dearest and closest friend. That sounds really depressing, but you guys, if you love your MacBook, you know what I mean. So of course it's still going to be by my side. Of course it's still going to have a place, and it's going to be used. But this new, brand new, good looking fella is my new sidekick. Also, it's a lot lighter. This thing is extremely light, so traveling is going to be a lot easier. I do travel a lot, even now with Corona. I'm still always on the go basically, so I always need to have my MacBook with me to do my work whenever I'm traveling. Also to do a little bit for YouTube here and there. So to have a new, lighter, better performing MacBook is ideal for me. I got it in the basic version, as you guys could have seen by now, which is totally enough for me, and I'm sorry I can't stop looking. I can't wait to use it. So sorry I'm not really focusing on the camera, just focusing on this beautiful thing. If you guys got a new MacBook, let me know. If you're still waiting for it, let me know. If you already unpacked it and have been using it, let me know how you think the performance is overall. I'm going to try and update you guys. Even when she's not in the frame, she's still causing trouble and trying to get all of the attention. I'm really sorry. So as I said, I should stop filming now, and I should finally work on here and set the rest up. Hope I covered everything you guys wanted to see. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys are going to subscribe and like this video. And if not, and if you didn't like this video, then I'm sorry I wasted your time, but I still wish you a great day, and I hope you still got to see a little bit of what you were looking for. So yeah, bye guys!